What is up, everybody? It's your boy Katie, and I'm gonna do another pack opening. But first, I gotta change the time zone because it sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. So I'm gonna do it while y'all wait. Here we go. Alright, as y'all see on the screen, I'm gonna change the time and all that. Change that from that. And oh wait. What time? What time? Try this one. My time is 6:43. Hold up, fam. Let me try to do something with it. Alright, so I found some time. It's Casablanca and 2:43. Now the times are from 3 in between 3 to 4. But I don't know. I might have to put it to London because London is 3:43. So I'm changing to London and hope it works. So it's 3:44 in London right now. I'm gonna start the game up and I'll hit y'all up whenever it starts. Alright guys, we're at the main menu. I'm gonna start it. Alright, so we're in the menu. So Scott, sorry about that. It went blank. But let's do the pack open. I have exactly 10,500. Oh, wrong thing. Alright, I'm at the My Team menu. It's about to start. Go to the market. Would hurry up and load. Market. Booster. Alright, mind you, it is 3:46. And let's get this pack. Hopefully, it's a good one. I think my first good pack was Julius Erving. And then all this Terry Porter and all that. But let's see what we got. We got Gary Payton. Alright, cool. Alright. And that's it for today. We got Gary Payton. Probably gonna use him later for my team. And I'll see y'all later, guys. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. God bless. Peace.